Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and today was day 27th of learning English through online. This is my video, and today 3 days later this challenge for 100 video upload on this learning English online in YouTube. Our challenge 1 and 4th half complete. So guys, thank you for supporting me, and so today we are read this word power mad easy book. So please connected with me, and please like and share and subscribe. So yesterday, previous day, I read some page of this book from, so today I read next page of this book. So first I open the page and just reading was very important in my life because I was feel many of amazing challenge in these day. Then I reading because I read almost 80% of all words that I don't read previous, but today I read these words. So let's get started. Season 33, origins and related word. Eat, drink. So origins and related words. Eat, drink and be merry. The Latin verb vivo, to live, and the noun vita, life are the source of a number of important English words. Convivo is the Latin verb to live together. From this in Latin was formed formed the noun convivium. Don't get important. Well, be back to English directly, which mean a faster feast, 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 or banquet, banquet, and from convivium we get our English word convivial, and an adjective, adjective, adjective that describes describes the kind of person who like to attend feasts, 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 and banquets, 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 and enjoining, enjoining, and supplying that jovial good fellowship characteristic of such greater things, such characteristics of such greater things, greater things, using the suffixity, suffixity. Can you write the noun form of the adjective, adjective convivial? Can you pronounce it? Living it up. Among many other, the following English word derive from Latin vivo, to live. Vivacious, full of the joy of living. Animated, animated. Peppy, peppy, a विवेश, विवेश, personality, noun, vivacity, vivacity. You can, as you know, also add ness ness to add adjective to form from a noun. Write the alternate noun from the vivisection. Vivid, processing the freshness of life, strong, sharp, a vivid imagination, a vivid color, addness of from the noun. Revive, 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 backing back of, bringing back, bring back of life in the 1960s man fashion of the 20s were revived. Noun, revival, vivisection, operating on a live animal. Sect, sect is from a Latin verb meaning to cut. Vivisection is the process of experimenting, experimenting on live animals to discover, discover, cause, causes, and cruise, craze, craze of disease, disease, anti-vivisection, object to the procedure. Through many of our most important medical discoveries, medical, medical discovery, discoveries were made through through vivisection, viviparos, vvip air से और vvip air से, rose, producing live babies, human beings, begins, and most other mammals are viviparous. Viviparous is contrasted, contrasted with oviparous, oviparous, producing your most eggs, most fish, fowl, and other lower forms of life are oviparous. The combining root in both these adjectives is Latin pareto, to give birth. Parent come from the same root. In oviparous, the first two syllables derive from Latin ovium, egg. Ovium, ovum. Ovum egg is the source of oval and ovoid eggs shaped 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 ovulate to release an egg. Release release an egg from the ovary. Ovum, the female germ cell, which when fertilized fertilized by sperm, develops into an embryo, embryo, into the fetus, and finally in about 2-8 days, in the case of humans, is born as an infant. The adjectival form the ovary is ovarium of fetus, fetal. Can you write the noun form of the verb ovulate? Love you may or may not be surprised to hear also come from ovum. No, not the kind of love you are thinking of. Latin ovum become if in French, or with the preceding 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 the noun, the egg pronounced pronounced, pronounced something like large zero. Picture it for a moment. Is shaped shaped like an egg. So if you score scored in tennis, tennis is 15 and your opponent's is 0, you should triumphantly triumphantly 15 love. More about life. Latin vita, life, is the origin of vital, essential, essential of life, of crucial, crucial, importance, 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 vital, vital, matter, also full of life, strength, vigor, etc. And the suffix city to the noun. Add a verb suffix to one struct the verb, meaning to give fee to. Finally, write the noun derived, derived from the verb you have instructed, instructed, revitalized is constructed, constructed from the prefix prefix regain, 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 back, the root vita and the verb suffix. Meaning, can you write the noun formed formed from his verb? The prefix de has a number of meaning, one of which is essentially essentially negative, negative, is in deforced, deforced, decompose, declassify, declassify, etc., etc. Using his prefix, can you write a verb meaning to rob of life, to take life? Now write the noun form of his verb. Vitamin, 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 one of the many nutritional nutritional element, one which life depend, dependent. Good eyelight required vitamin A found from example in carrot. Strong bone need vitamin D in sunlight and cod where oil, etc. Revitalized, and devilize are used. Figuratively from example, a program, program, or pain is vitalized, revitalized, or devitalized according to how it handle. French life. So guys, video was very long, so I end this video and I read this book some pages. So please connected with us, please subscribe our channel to see my upcoming days journey, and like, share and subscribe. Thank you.